Okay. 2017 Blue Diamond window cleaning and pressure washing. Just finishing up here at the Village in Hemet for window cleaning in and out. This building's pretty big. It took us 10 days. Just to give the scope here, just doing a quick drive around to give you guys an idea. Oh, going into the sun here, hold on. There's my guys hard at work. There you go. You see, it's a really nice active living seniors community, and they take excellent care of their residents. Okay, so we're almost to the front. This is the side here. Okay, short of light of having this big tree in our way. So we're waiting for the gate. Hopefully that gives you an idea on the scope of work here. Alright. Again, Heidi, Blue Diamond window cleaning and pressure washing here at the Village in Hemet.